Oh hey, it's Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls. Today I'm just giving you a simple eyeshadow look, a look I created while I had my faux locks in. And if you want to see the tutorial on how I installed it and different ways to wear them, or another eyeshadow look I created while I had them in, make sure to check the links down in the description box because I have all the details down below. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you never miss another video, because if you do not hit the bell, let me say it again, if you don't hit the bell, you'll miss the notification. Now, I will be using the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and I will be using these two colors for my look today. Something simple, not a whole bunch of colors, no cut creases, none of that. I am just going to be using an off-brand flat brush to apply this nice peachy coral color to my lid. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. This is the first time I am using this color, but I think it's beautiful. I definitely had to reapply it just to build up the color to its intensity of how I wanted it to be. But other than that, that's it. So once I have that down, and I do it to both lids, of course, I'm going to be using my concealer to just apply some to the outer corner of my lid, and then using my beauty blending brush to just dap that out a little bit. But I'm doing that so that this nice hot pink color can just pop. I originally tried it without concealer and you couldn't really see it. So I really had to go in with the concealer and then use the color on top. But if you don't know that trick, it's a well-known trick. If you want colors to pop, use concealer. Now this is the official look. I took my faux locks down. I'm switching up where I have my little hair accessories, and that is all. Now, I forgot to mention that I did add a little bit of that hot pink color on my lower lash line, but you can see that for yourself. If you like a lot of color on your lids, let me know. If you like neutral colors, let me know. If you don't like colors at all, that's cool too. But I see makeup as a form of art, form of expression. It's not perfect. It is what you make it to be, and if it makes you happy, run with it. Peace and love, positive vibes. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get every notification when I make a new upload. Stay tuned for a new video on Thursday, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.